Hello everyone. For today's video, as we discussed last time in chemistry, we discussed about the intro of spectrum. Today we're going to discuss about the hydrogen spectrum. All right. So, as I told you that we have two types of medium: transparent medium and translucent medium. So, the medium that will use for the molecules or elements, that will be translucent medium or uh, opaque medium. Translucent. All right. Translucent medium or opaque medium. All right. So हम क्या करेंगे हाइड्रोजन की, for example, let me elaborate more that we have hydrogen bonding. So for finding the hydrogen spectrum, we only need a single hydrogen. All right. That is why we're gonna break down the hydrogen. We're gonna break down the bonding of the hydrogen by electric discharge. All right. This is an electric discharge, and by this we're gonna move, or we can say we can break the bonding of the hydrogen. We want hydrogen because we want hydrogen in an atomic form. All right, not in a molecular form. All right. So I'm gonna make here a lot of atoms of hydrogen. Okay. Hydrogen. So this process was being introduced to rectify, or you can say to know about the orbits. पहले we know that we have the k orbit, k shell, L, M, N, O. All right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. ठीक है. We have I have just made 5. ठीक है. So by heating these hydrogen from sun, अगर हम इसको sun से heat देंगे, or you can say UV rays if we'll give, so these hydrogen will gonna excite, और वो excite होके they'll go up at an unstable position, that is 2n2. alright, 2n2 की positions पे चले जाएंगे, that is known as unstable. alright, ऐसे करके all the hydrogen will gonna go up, and this is the ground point. alright, so when they'll cool down, they'll come back to the K shell. Right, when these hydrogens are gonna come at the K shell, means this K shell, so this is known as that this spectrum is known as what? Lyman series. This spectrum is known as Lyman series. Alright, Lyman series spectrum, when the dropping of the hydrogen from unstable position to K shell. Alright, this is known as Lyman series. Alright, then if I could provide the heat to I provide the heat from the visible sources. Alright, हमने visible sources से we provide the heat to hydrogen. So keep remember this, that this has high energy, ठीक है, and this has low energy. Right, UV rays has high energy, and visible rays or visible light have low energy. So if we give the heat from the visible lights, तो फिर क्या होगा? Electron will get excited and they'll come back. When they'll come back, they will be at the L shell now. What they will be? They'll be at the L shell. और वो जब L shell पे आ जाएंगे, alright, so that when they'll come on L shell, जब इसकी ड्रॉपिंग वापस L shell पे होगी, so that series, just because of low energy, एनर्जी लो है UVS रेज के अंदर, विजिबल लाइट रेजेस के अंदर. सो दैट इज़ वाई ये हमारे पास दे विल ड्रॉप ऑन L shell. Alright, and this series is known as Batman spectrum. Alright, and this series of hydrogen is in the region of what? Is in the region of visible light, and that has the frequency of 400 nanometer to 740 nanometer. Alright, now our third point. अगर हम if we give the heat to these hydrogen from you can say yes IR rays, infrared rays. So what will gonna happen? Now it has lowest energy, alright? So hydrogen will go up and they'll get unstable. Excited okay when they'll come, so they will be stop at M shell now, alright? वो M shell पे रुक जाएंगे. They're gonna stop at M shell. So the dropping of the hydrogen till M shell, that series will known as Paschen series or Paschen spectrum. Alright, जो कि in that will drop in the M क्या बोलते हैं, that will drop in the M series, M shell, that will drop in the M shell. So this will known as the Paschen spectrum. Alright, I'll give more detail about it, don't worry. So let's just discuss our third phenomena. Alright, I'm gonna make here, but यहाँ पर बनता I don't have place, so I'm gonna make over here. Okay, now we have two types of infrared, far and near. Agar if we're gonna provide the heat from the near IR, okay, so that these hydrogen will drop on N now. These hydrogen will drop on N. Alright, these hydrogen will drop, and this series is known as N series, that is also known as bracket series. Alright, bracket series. Now last but not the least, we have far we have studied, but now we're gonna look up at near wala. Okay, here I'm gonna make the by heating up this hydrogen from near IR, so electron will get unstable, or you can say excited. Okay, they'll get excited and they will come back to its position by obtaining O shell. O shell pe they'll come, alright, and that series, when they'll come to O shell, that series will known as Pfund series. Alright, I hope you all got it. Now I'm gonna give a little equation about the K series, L, M, N. So let's just discuss about the K series equation. It's not just equation, but 2 and 2 means exciting state के अंदर हमारे पास what will come. We're gonna count these. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and these all spectrum will come in what? K shell, that is 1. You can call it as a 1 as well. Dropping 1 is showing the position. Alright, now talking about our L. So if you could count L, N2 exciting states हमारे पास आ रहा है, तो it will drop on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, and this spectrum will be known as Batman spectrum, but that will be in the K shell, and that will be at the position of 2. Alright, now talking about the M spectrum, so that will contain 4, 5, 6, 7, and these spectrum will fall on M, so the position of the M would be 3. You can see. Okay, Now we have N series that was given by bracket series, that was bracket series. So these N2, अगर हमारे पास N2s है, we'll get the hydrogen. So it will be from 5, 6 and 7 range, ठीक है, and that will be in the N shell and at the position of 4, right? So sorry, so this was all about the hydrogen spectrum. All right, this was about the hydrogen spectrum. I hope that is clear.